What's up, beautiful people? It's Stocks and Stoves with Dad, and I want to go ahead and give you guys an update on my portfolio for the past week and a half regarding how the market has been treating me. Yeah, shout out to all my prayer warriors. Today is Sunday, November the 2nd, I believe. And I just want to send a shout out to you all, the subscribers and people who just watch the videos in general. I hope the Most High blesses you guys financially, spiritually, and physically. So let's get started. So we're going to start backwards. We're going to start at the all-time high of this portfolio. For the whole time, I'm up 73.61%. That's a little bit over $7,000. For the year, $3,018.20. That's 22.35% for the past year. Year to date, I'm sitting at 2.84%. We got to work on that. That's positive $455.54. 3 months, we're at 10%, 0.96. That's $1,632. For the month, we're up 1.86%. That's $302.38, 29 cents, fluctuating. For the past week, we're up $321.98. That's 1.99%. Look at this huge dip right here. I believe this is when Trump was talking about tariffs and China and all that good stuff. That was a super red day. Wish I had some puts. But for the day, I'm up 0.08%. That's $12.66. And live, I am down for the past hour, 0.6%. That's $10.11. So as you know, I beat a milestone. I was able to get over the hump finally and sustain over 16,000 for at least a whole week. Before, I was treading the water at 15,900 and something dollars. And when I get to 16, some political stuff happens, and then I drop right back under the 16,000. So I've reached a milestone, and I try to like advance myself in like increments of 5. So every $5,000. So right now we're trying to get to 20, and then the next milestone is going to be $25,000. You get what I'm saying? So buying power, I got a little bit of dry powder in there and just a smudge, nothing too serious. I got a rum call for $10. That's been terrible, terrible when that news came out. But it's all the way out to the expiration date of April 17th of 2026. So I have time to run it up or figure out what I want to do with this option play or option call. As far as crypto is concerned, let's go to crypto. I've been doing a lot with my crypto portfolio. As you can see, it is growing. Today, it is at 0.45%. That's $9.14. Let's see for the year. For the year, past year is down $93.60. That's 4.41%. Let's see all time. All time, it is down 5.95%. That's $128. So I've been dollar cost averaging into the crypto. What I think basically brought my crypto down is because right now it's been very volatile, right? So I've been slowly putting money into the account, especially with Solana, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. XRP, I got in early, put a lot of money into it. Well, some money's into it, and it's just been down lately, and it is what it is. I believe it'll turn around. The market will correct itself. And when you're dealing with crypto, you know, just like the stocks, crypto is very volatile. And when crypto dips, it dips. But when it rips, it rips. So right now it's dipping, and that's okay. So let's see what's actually happening here. So this is the biggest poo-poo in my crypto portfolio, and that's why I'm looking like that. I think so. Oh, I'm at an average cost of $2.49, a value of $1,099. Okay, 435.335 quantity. Today I'm positive $8.63. Total return of $17.30. So maybe I'm wrong. XRP is not the biggest poo-poo in my account. I think it's Solana, actually. Yeah. So I got Solana at an average cost of $200.59. And this is why I'm buying the dip right now. Currently, she's sitting at $184.95. Look, all you see is dips. All you see is dips. Big dips. Look at that. Look at this. Look at here. Goes back up, but it always dips. There goes double bottom over here. So yeah, I'm gonna capitalize off of Solana. I believe in this cryptocurrency. I'm actually staking my Solana. Let me see. I'm staking my Solana. Okay, I'm staking $389.39. So far, I've been paid $1.75 passive income, just earning APYs on my Solana. Next is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I have $334 worth of Bitcoin. I got it at an average cost of $113,301.76. So right now it should be dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. Currently my total return is negative $6.03. That's negative 2.53%. So I think this one is the one poo-pooing on my crypto portfolio. Ethereum, currently sitting at $3,863. This one's also poo-pooing on my crypto portfolio. I only got $204 invested. I'm dollar cost averaging. I got it at an average cost of $4,088. So it's down right now, so I should be buying more, and I will be. And I'm also staking this cryptocurrency. I've been paid out lifetime earnings of 0.36 cents. The earning is up to 2.12 APY. So that's my crypto portfolio. That's what's going on. And yeah, so I got to work on it. And I am working on it. So it helps with balance out my stock portfolio on certain days. When the stock market is down, the crypto is up, or the crypto is down, the stock market is up, or both of them could be down sometimes. You know what I mean? But let's go to my stocks and ETFs. I'm gonna try to get through this real quick because I don't want to hold you. It is Sunday. So yeah, SoFi, that's my baby. I got 40 shares. I'm buying whenever I can. If it's up, I'm buying. If it's down, I'm buying. And it's always up for the most part. Let me see where it was at around here. Let me see. Around $28. Okay, that was a little dip. And here's a rip. Yeah, so far I'm just buying into it, man. This company's doing great things. I got $1,193 invested. Today I made $24.16. My total return is $725.80. I'm positive 155% on this investment total return. So yeah, I'm gonna still buy more, man. I can't wait to hit 100 shares. SoFi is the shiznit. It's like online banking. That's what the young kids are using these days. Not only that, they're starting. I believe they have a platform where they might be starting an investment platform. I'm not too sure, but either way, they're doing a lot of great things, man. Online banking, student loans. They're doing a lot of great things. So I believe in that company, and I will continue to buy. And now let's go to Amazon, another company that I'm holding for the long term. Average cost $121.99. Amazon is now sitting at $244.30. This is another play I'm over on my total return, positive 100%. So my total return is $1,900. Today alone, I made $333. That's plus 9.62%. What else? What is there to say about Amazon? Is the shiznit. I use Amazon all the time. I use Amazon all the time. Look at this. News, Apple or Amazon. Which magnificent 7 stocks look stronger after earning? Doesn't matter to me. They both look strong because I got them both and I'm holding them and I'm dollar cost averaging. And remember what I told y'all about, I love the fives. So I'm at 15 shares. So where you think I'm trying to park next? Just add 5 more. 20 shares, then 25, then 30, then 40, then 35, then 40, just like that. That's what I'm trying to do with these plays, especially the ones that are not cheap, you know. I don't know about you. I'm not rich. I work hard. You know, I can't dump $1,000 every week or every 2 weeks into the market. So I got a dollar cost average. And these plays, I believe in them. And I want to get them while they're in their 200s because I know the sky's the limit. The sky's the limit. So Apple right now, I got 15 shares. So my next stop is 20. I need 5 more. Average cost $152.10, and it's currently sitting at $270.04. Today's return, negative $21.32. But total return, 77.55%. Total return of $1,848.91. I love you, Apple. Amazon, my baby, but I love you, Apple. I got the Apple phone. I got the Apple Watch. Everybody at the job has Apple, so I got to own a piece of Apple. So when they walk in and show off their new gear, I'm like, yes, I love you, bro. They're like, why do you love me? I say, I love the fact that you keep buying Apple. Keep buying it, bro. Matter of fact, I think they got a new, what you call that? MacBook. You should go check that one out. And when they're at the Apple store and I'm walking in the mall and the stores are packed, I got a smile on my face because I own a piece of the company and I'm getting residual income from Apple too. It's not much, but this is a growth stock for me, long-term play. So I'm going to hold it down. SoundHound. Sound, I sold half of my positions, but I'm going to dollar cost average back into it. I sold them at a positive, like around when it got up to $15, and I just thought it would sit there. And as soon as I sold it, a couple days later, it broke 17. So even though I sold at a profit and I got my money back plus profit. Right now, the 18 shares you see right there, that's house money. I'm playing with house money. But I'm going to invest back into it, though, because SoundHound has potential. They're going to be using it at restaurants to, like, help with the orders. I think they're going to be using it in vehicles and other things like that. Anything AI related. And SoundHound kind of, like, it's in its own space a little bit. You know, there are bigger AI companies, but SoundHound is specific to sound. Like, you talk to it and it does what it's supposed to do. So I have 18 shares. I'm going to even it out and get another 2 shares when the market open. I'm currently $13.37 richer today, and total return $118.87. That's positive 58%. SoundHound. ET, this is a play that I'm going to hold for the long term as well. Positive total return, 45.04%. Total return is $893. I don't want to drag the video, so I'm not going to talk too much about it. But one thing I will say is I love ET. I love the dividends I'm getting paid. Like, let me see. Okay, so this is showing my option plays. Where's my last dividend? My last dividend you see right there, August 19th, 2025, $56.20. You know, so we just gonna leave that at that. That's all I got to say about ET. Okay. XLE, another play that I like. It's in the energy sector. I'm going to ball with this one. I'm going to continue the dollar cost average. I got 16 shares, so you know how I'd like to do. I need to get it to 20 shares. Currently, I made $12.67 today's return. Total return, $377.49. That's positive 33.90%. So I'm looking good. Another thing I like about ET is that it pays me some decent dividends. As you can see, I reinvest all of my dividends. I drip, and I drip, and I drip until it rips. I'm going to keep dripping. So I made $12.55 on September 24th, 2025. All right. SCHG. I'm new to this, but I'm true to this. I love SCHG. It's a growth stock, and I will continue the dollar cost average. So I'm trying to get to number 10. I need 10 shares. I'm at 6 shares right now at an average cost of $26.81. So I'm in the positive, baby. The positive, baby. Today I made $1.33. But a total return, I'm at 24.52%. That's $43.60. This growth stock, this growth ETF stock, top holdings are NVIDIA. So it exposes me to NVIDIA, which I don't have. Exposes me to Microsoft, which I don't have. Broadcom, which I don't have. Tesla, which I don't have. Google, I had it, but I sold it. Eli Lilly, I don't have. Meta, I don't have. Apple and Amazon, I do have, but I like this because it supports certain positions I already have and positions that I believe in, but I don't want to expand my portfolio too much. I want to focus on the stocks that I currently have. And then when I'm ready to trim or just trade some in and cash it in, then I could get into some other plays. But I don't want to over leverage myself. Like some people have 20, 30 different stocks in one portfolio. I don't want to expose myself like that, you know? So that's SCHG. Now SCHD, dividend ETF. I like to call them cousins. And I mess with this one too. I got 7 shares. I need 10. That means I need 3 more shares. So this one's a slow grinder, but it helps balance out the portfolio. It's pretty much always in the green. And I got at an average cost of $26. It is now sitting at 26.75 cents. So I'm positive 5.31 cents. Positive $5.31 total return. This is a dividend play. As you can see, these are the holdings right there. Not going to read all that, but yeah, I'm long-term holding this play right here. And right here, Bitfarms. This right here is, I'm going to just say straight up, this is a gamble. It's a gamble. I think I can make a few dollars on it. I bought it. As soon as I bought it, the thing dipped. I only bought 25 shares, so it's not much. I'm going to get, with this one, I'm going to just buy another 25. I'm going to just make it to 50, get it to 100 real quick while it's really low. I got an average cost of $4.96, and it's $3.92. So, yeah, 100% buy. That's what the analysts say. You know, that's their rating. So it is what it is. What else can I say about it? It's a company that is related to mining crypto. Anything crypto, you know, crypto's here to stay because of Bitcoin. And then we got some great other cryptos that's coming into play. And as they grow, these mining companies got to grow too. So this is a gamble. I don't know much about this company. I know what it does and how it works. I know because it's related to crypto, it has to move. But I ain't trying to overstay my welcome in that stock, Bitfarms. But as soon as it makes money, I'm going to keep buying. And as soon as I make money, I'm out of there. I'm selling it because I believe in it's like what it's supposed to do and that it has a place in the market. But I don't care about the company. I don't believe in it like that. You know what I'm saying? Not like I believe in SoFi, Amazon, and Apple. You get what I'm saying? So we're going to leave that like that. And my account, this is how we're looking right now. Congratulations to me. I broke 1,500 and it's only up from here. All right, so my Roth IRA, y'all know this was a baby account. Started with like $50, and right now, hold on. Did I change something here? Hold on. Something doesn't look right. Hold on. SPLG, SCHD. Okay. Let me check my history. Something just looks strange. Anyways, right? I'll look into this later. Okay, that's a stock I got my eye on. So yeah, this portfolio, my Roth IRA, it's a new account. You can see right here, 3 months out, $9.85. Year to date, $13.36. For the year, $13.36. All time, $13.36. It's a small portfolio. I got SPYM, which follows the S&P 500. It's an ETF. I got it at $75.74 average cost, and currently it's sitting at $80.21. This one does pay dividends, I believe, as well. Let me check. Yeah, this one pays 1.10% 30-day yield dividends. Also exposes me to NVIDIA, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Broadcom, Alphabet, which is Google, Meta, Tesla, and Berkshire Hathaway. So this is a beautiful ETF. It has some solid companies in there, growth companies and long-term plays. So it exposes me to all of them. And that's what I need in this portfolio is balance. So this is the backbone of this portfolio. And I will continue to add shares. I need my first 5 shares. I'm sitting at 2.30 shares. And I'm going to dollar cost average. And probably each time I go into it, I'm at whatever the current cost is, I'll put half. So it's sitting at 80.21. So I would put $40 into it like every other week. And last but not least, this one's pooping on my IRA account. I use this one for income. I want to see what the whole what the uproar was about. Yield Max income ETF. They do covered calls and stuff like that to make money. The NAV erosion is terrible on this stock. I'm negative $52.76 today. I got an average cost of $5.72. And now it's sitting at $4.95. Will it recover? I don't know. I did this for income. I think I'm getting paid $5 and some change every week. Yeah. See, the previous week, October 24, I got $5.88. October 30th, I got $5.79. So although my portfolio, this position is negative $52.76, I'm kind of even based on the distributions that I received. That's why I'm not panicking. I don't have like 1,000+ shares like a lot of people who's like getting beat down from this position. So to be honest, I'm kind of even. So I don't care about it. I'm going to probably buy up until the end of the year and then decide what I want to do. If I dump it, I'm going to get something like QQQI or QQQ, I believe, and just add it to this portfolio. I want this portfolio to be a strong portfolio. It is a Roth IRA, so it's supposed to represent my future. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to dump some more money into this account, especially in January when I do my taxes. I'm just going to throw it all in here, to be quite honest with you. So, yeah, so that's all I wanted to really talk about. It's Sunday. I'm going to get ready to go hit the gym and then probably later on cook some good food. And that's about it, man. So that's all I got for y'all. It's Stocks and Stoves with Dad. I appreciate you. If you listen to this entire video, I appreciate you. If you hit the thumbs up button, and I will pray for all of you to the Most High so your financial situation could get better. And you got to start somewhere. Every dollar counts. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. I started off with like $500, then went to 2,000, and I built this thing up, like brick by brick. So this is a long-term play. This is not gambling for me. The only gambling I'm doing is bit farms. Everything else, I truly, truly believe in it. And I will dump more bucks, more V-bucks. I will dump more bucks into these plays, and I will continue to learn options. It's something that I'm learning right now, and I'm getting better and better and better every day. So peace and love to everybody. Shout out to all the subscribers. And if you're a subscriber, tell someone else to subscribe. I want to turn non-believers into believers, because I was a non-believer. But I kept watching YouTube and kept seeing how people were making money. And now I'm a believer. And look, I'm making money. I'm making money. I'm making money. You see that? I'm making money. You can't make these returns at the bank. You can't get those dividends at the bank. I'm making money, you know? And that's the whole goal. So thank you again for listening. Blessed to you all, your pocketbooks, your health, your wealth. And this is Stocks and Stoves with Dad. Peace and love. Have a great day.